How to fix error code 202 on Samsung TV. Quick and easy. Fix 1. Power cycle everything. Step 1. Unplug your modem from power. Let it stay off for about 30-60 seconds. Step 2. While modem is off, unplug your Wi-Fi router and wait another 30-60 seconds. Step 3. Unplug your Samsung TV from power and wait 30-60 seconds. Step 4. Plug the modem back in. Wait until it fully powers up. Step 5. Plug in the router. Let it boot completely. Step 6. Plug in the TV, power it on, and test Smart Hub again. Fix 2. Soft reset the TV. Step 1. With the TV powered on, press and hold the power button on the TV remote, the actual remote, for about 5 seconds until the TV restarts. Step 2. After reboot, go to Settings, Support, or Device Care, Self-Diagnosis, reset Smart Hub. Step 3. If prompted for a PIN, the default is usually 0. Confirm, then re-log in to the Smart Hub when it prompts.